Good morning, students. Welcome. We will start with the new chapter of Maths, that is chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Students, please take your books with yourself and you have to open your books. Take this chapter number 9 in your textbook. Open your books. So together we will be doing this chapter, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. First thing, what are identities? What are expressions? We'll just see. You see the definition, it's given in your textbook. In earlier classes, you have already become familiar with what algebraic expressions or simile expressions are. Examples of expression are, now I will give you one example. See here, students. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. This is one expression. We call it as algebraic expressions. So these are, this is the form of expression. This is the example, and you can form many more expressions like this. As you know, the expressions are formed from variables and constants. Now, what are variables? You can see here, students, this x square, x, whatever the alphabets are used, like x, y, z, all these are called variables. And the numbers, like this 7, 4, 5, they are known as constants. So, the expression is formed by the variables and the constants. The expression, this which is given in the example, like 7x square minus 4x plus 5 is formed from the variable x and the constants 7, 4 and 5. Now students, so I hope you understood what is an expression. We will move to next topic, that is terms, factors and coefficients. What are terms? Here there are three terms you can see. This is first term, 7x square minus 4x and this is 5. So this expression is made up of three terms, 7x square minus 4x and 5. Then we come to the topic coefficients. What are coefficients? Just look. Coefficients are the constants. We call constant as the coefficient of a particular variable. Like x square का coefficient क्या है? 7. x का coefficient क्या है? -4. और जो constant term है, it remains same. So 5 is the coefficient. So these are known as the coefficient. Here there are three terms and then factors. What do you mean by factors? Factorize करना. Like कोई भी टर्म आप ले लो, -4x. इसके फैक्टर्स क्या है? -4 and x. और इसको आगे फैक्टराइज करना हो तो -4 को हम लिख सकते हैं -2 into 2 into x. This is how we factorize. So -4x के फैक्टर्स हैं -4 and x. So I hope you understood what do you mean by terms, factors and coefficients. So students, please note down ये सब चीजें क्या हैं, आपको समझ में आ जाएंगी. Yes, students. Now have a look. Here we are just doing the next topic, that is about monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. What are monomials, what are binomials, what are trinomials and what are polynomials? See students, this you have already done in your previous classes, yeah? Like it's given in your textbook, page number 138. See the definitions, important. Expression that contains only one term is called a monomial. The expression which contain only one term are known as monomials. Like just one term, single term expression 4x square. This is one term, comma, -3xy, single term, then 7z, then 5xy square. So all these are monomials. Single term polynomial is known as monomial. Then the expression that contains two terms is called a binomial. The two term expression like 4l plus 5m, a plus 4, 5 minus 3xy. So these are binomials. They contain two terms. Like this this expression contains, first term is 4l and the second term is 5l. For this one, a and then 4. These are two terms separated by an operation. So it is a two-term binomial, then 5 and minus 3x. Next is trinomials. Trinomials are an expression containing 3 terms is a trinomial, and some in trinomials, and then you can see here 2x plus 3y minus 1. 3 terms. X square y minus xy square plus y square. This is again 3 terms, so it is trinomials. And then so on. If it contains more than 3 terms, even 3 terms, trinomial is known as polynomial. This is also polynomial. फिर 3 term trinomial के बाद उसको कुछ definition नहीं होती. Then about 3 terms we call them as polynomial. See, it's given here. In general, an expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient with variables having non-negative integers as exponents is called a polynomial. A polynomial may contain any number of terms, one or more than one. All these are polynomials. These all can be categorized as polynomials. More than 3 terms तो उसके लिए कोई नाम ही नहीं है, इसलिए हम उसको polynomials ही बोलते हैं. बाकी trinomials भी polynomials हैं, binomials भी polynomials हैं, and even monomials are polynomials. So I hope you understood this topic. Monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. These are the expressions categorized as monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Yes, students. Now our next topic is like and unlike terms. What are like terms and what are unlike terms? Now look here, like terms means are those terms, those who have the same variables. Variables same होते हैं, not the coefficient. Coefficient can be anything, but variables remain same along with their powers. Variables एकदम same to same होने चाहिए. Like this one 7x, तो variable is x. Minus 14x, variable is x. 13x, variable is x. So all these are like terms. Similarly, you see here 5x square, you have the variable x square. 9x square, again the variable is x square. X square means x square ही रहना चाहिए, y square नहीं. So if the variables are same, then the terms are termed as like terms. In this way here also 7xy, you see here xy. 5yx, xy या yx बात एक ही होती है, दोनों का पावर यहाँ पे 1 ही है. Here we consider power as 1. So these two are also same variables, then the terms are known as like terms. Now next is unlike terms, those who don't have the same variables, like 7x and 7y. Here the coefficients are same, but we don't go by coefficients, we go by variables. Here x and here y. So these are termed as unlike terms. Similarly, 7x and 5x square. Here x and x square power is different, then also we term them as unlike terms. So I hope you understood this topic, like terms and unlike terms. Yes, students? Like terms are those terms which have the same variables. We don't go by coefficients. Coefficients can be anything. It does not matter. Sign can change, anything, but we just relate with the variables. Variables should be same and their power should be exactly same. And unlike terms are those terms those who don't have same variables. If the variables are not same, then that terms are termed as unlike terms. So I hope you understood. ये आपने पहले अपने previous classes में भी किया होगा. So this is easy to understand. Now students, our new topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. See students, we have done this topic in your previous classes also, how to add and subtract the algebraic expressions. So first we will be doing the addition. There is one example in your textbook. First example, this is add. Add these terms. So how you will add? There are two methods. First is horizontal method and the other one is the vertical method. So I will go by the horizontal method. You can also go by the vertical method which is given in your textbook. Which method I will be using? You just check how to do the addition of the expressions, algebraic expression. There are 3 algebraic expressions given. This is the first one. This is the second one. All the 3 are trinomials. So first one, you just write in the bracket 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. Yes, second bracket plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. Then third bracket minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. These are the three expressions which I have made them in bracket, and just put the addition sign in between because we have to add all the three. We have to add all the three expressions. Now for addition, what we have put here, we have put plus sign in between the brackets. Plus sign इसलिए डाला है क्योंकि हमें add करना है. अच्छा students, you have also done the brackets chapter in your previous standard. Previous standards में आपने brackets किए हुए हैं. What was the rule? If there is plus sign outside any bracket, we don't change the sign of any term inside the bracket. But if there is minus sign outside any bracket, the sign of all the terms inside the bracket changes. So here we apply the rule of brackets. There is plus sign outside the bracket, so we don't change any terms sign. So what we will do? Here we will write 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx as it is. Second bracket we open plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. Then third bracket as it is plus, minus, plus minus is minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. This is the how we open the bracket. We have kept all the terms and all the sign as it is. We don't change any terms sign. अभी क्या करेंगे? Next step, we pair the like terms together. Like terms means जिनके जो variables हैं exactly same है. Like the first term is 7xy. तो xy वाले कोई और term है? You can see here minus 2xy. So we will pair together 7xy minus 2xy. Yeah. Next is 5yz and see here 4yz. So these two terms we will pair together 5yz plus 4yz. Then next is minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3xz. zx xz एक ही बात है, तो ये तीनों एक साथ जाएंगे. Minus 3zx. Then you take this one first, minus 3 again xz and plus 9zx. तीनों zx वाली टर्म xz हो या zx हो एक साथ, माइनस की साइन माइनस उसके साथ ही रहेगा. Yeah, so all the three terms together. Then we'll be taking the remaining terms. Here it is plus 5x and minus 4. They do not have any base. They are alone. They do not possess any like terms. So now you just do the subtraction addition according to the rule of integers. Integers chapter आप पहले कर चुके हैं. Now 7xy minus 2xy is 5x plus 5yz plus 4yz will become 5 plus 4 9yz minus 3zx will give you minus 6zx. Minus 6 plus 9 will give you plus 3zx. Once more, minus 3 minus minus add हो जाता है, साइन माइनस की रहती है. minus 6 plus 9 will give you plus 3. Means 9 minus 6 is plus 3zx. Then plus 5x as it is and minus 4y as it is. Yes students, I hope you understood this method. Very easy. Just open the brackets, pair the like terms together, and then you do the addition or subtraction according to the rule of integers which you have already done in your 7th standard. Even if you want to go by the bookish method, it's everything fine, nothing wrong in there. So I hope you understood about addition. We will do one example of subtraction also. You note down this. Note down this. Yes students, second example of your textbook is subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Yeah, so this is how we do the subtraction. Let's see, first check out. Now first thing, subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. So we will be writing this polynomial first and then in the second bracket this. इसमें से ये subtract करना है. Please students, you know प्राइमरी स्टैंडर्ड से आपको फ्रॉम का मतलब पता है, जो सेकंड वाला होता है वो आगे लिखा जाता है. तो द सेकंड पॉलिनोमियल इज 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. This is the second polynomial minus. Now you have to subtract. इसलिए ब्रैकेट्स के बीच में क्या साइन आएगा? माइनस. सो हियर 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. So I hope you understood up to here. Now we just open the brackets. First bracket as it is, क्योंकि उसके बाहर कुछ भी साइन नहीं होता है तो सेम लिखा जाता है. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now here there is minus sign, so we will change the sign of all the terms inside the brackets. सभी की sign change हो जाएंगी. Sign change means plus की चीजें minus हो जाएंगी, minus की चीजें plus. So first term is your 5x square, it is positive, so this will become minus 5x square. Minus 4y square will become plus 4y square. Plus 6y will become minus 6y. And minus 3 will become plus 3. Just reverse the sign. Plus 5x square minus हो गया, minus 4y square plus हो गया, plus 6y minus and minus 3 will become plus 3. So now pair the like terms together. X square, like first term is your 7x square, then which is the like term in 7x square, you can see here minus 5x square. So we will pair it together. Then 4x square, we don't have any term of 4x square, you go for 8y square. पहले जो like term है उनको pair करते थे. 8y square plus 4y square. Yeah students, I hope you are understanding. Then x की term single है, कोई भी और x की term नहीं है, so we first leave it. minus 3y and minus 6y. minus 3y minus 6y. अभी जो बाकी बची हुई टर्म्स हैं उन्हें हम लिख देंगे. सो माइनस 4xy एज इट इज बिकॉज उसका कोई लाइक टर्म नहीं है. देन प्लस 5x एज इट इज एंड देन प्लस 3 एज इट इज. यस स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी हैव पेयर्ड द लाइक टर्म्स टुगेदर. नाउ 7x square minus 5x square, 2x square, 8y square plus 4y square will give you 12y square. Minus 3y minus 6y will give you minus 9y. Rule of integers, minus 4xy as it is, plus 5x as it is, plus 3 as it is. Very easy. So I hope you understood the students how to pair the like terms and how to pair the like terms and do the sum. Please go through the sum, write down in your notebook. So students, I hope you understood about the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. In this video, this much only. Next topics we will be covering in our next video. Yeah. So thank you students. Stay safe. Keep learning.